Hello everyone. Today's tutorial is how to make this quick and easy earring, pretty earring. So we need round pearl, size 4 mm, the glass bead, size 4 mm, and a seed bead size 11. And I need a earring hook. And for this project, I'm gonna use this thread. So let's begin. I pick up 6 seed beads and 6 pearl, and I put it alternate. Going to pass through. Pass through seed bead, pearl, seed bead. Then one more pearl, seed bead. Then I can cut my tail. Pick up, I'm coming out of 11, pick up 3 seed bead, pass through, seed bead, pearl, seed bead, and I'm making a picot. Pick up 3, 11, pass through, pearl and seed bead, pick up 3, pick up 3, 11, pass through, pearl and seed bead, pass through pearl and 11 seed bead, then pass through the first and then the second seed bead. Pick up 2 seed bead, the glass, 2 seed bead, pass through, pick up 2 seed bead, the glass, 2 seed beads, oops, pass through, two, glass and 2 seed beads, pass through, and I'll do the same here. Have my last set, pass through, Pass through the 2 seed bead, the glass, pick up 2 seed beads, the glass, 1 seed bead, glass, 3 seed beads, glass, seed bead, glass, and 2 seed beads. So I pick up 2 seed beads, the glass, 1 seed bead, glass, 3 seed beads, glass, 1 seed bead, glass, and 2 seed beads. Pass through. Pass through the middle seed bead. Pick up 5 seed beads, pass through. And I just do it one more time just to reinforce. Oops, it didn't win. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who joined, thank you so much. This is quick and easy to make. And this is pretty too. And I can make one more here. One more double. Oops. I think one more. Not double, I mean 2 knots. Okay. Before I cut my thread. One more. It's pretty easy to make, yet beautiful. Quick and easy. Hope you like it. You can even make this as a surprise gift for Mother's Day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody, and happy beading.